conference will now be recorded.
Guys, hope you people are able to see my screen. Okay, last class we had done with few of the concepts, like we had done with build a map and a map, how to insert a map. So any doubts till there? So if anybody is having any doubts, you can put a message in the chat box. Okay, so then let me that it is clear. So next coming for tree map chart. So last class we had done with nine discrete area chart, area chart discrete, heat map, symbol chart, and field map chart. So we had done this many things. So today let's see how to do with the tree map chart. Okay. So let me bring in the data. So that is region. Let me bring in the region to the rows and then the sales to the column. Okay, so as I check it out, so here this is the tree map. Okay, so as I click on tree map, you can see central region, what is the total sales, south, what is the total sales, and north, what is the total sales. Okay, so these three things we can see. Now I wanted to check it as per the subcategory. Okay, so subcategory, let me scroll down and bring in the subcategory and drop it in the labels. So as I select this, you can see, so subcategory wise it is mentioning what is the sales value. So central, you can see it in the dark blue color, and south region, so how much sales has happened. So based on the subcategory wise. Now if I wanted to check it, so this is a normal basic chart what we do. So as I told, by default it is going to present in blue color. My voice is very low. Guys, am I clear? Loud and clear now? Say, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I wanted to change with the color. So I'll come here to the sales. I'll go to edit colors, and from here you can choose whichever type of color you wanted. So I'll select the red and gold, apply. Okay. So now like this we can change with the color. Okay, now if I wanted the region, okay, so maybe other this one. So now I wanted to distinguish the values. So now I'm going to bring in the region to the rows, and you can see the values will be bifurcated, something like this. Now I wanted to check it for the entire view. I'll go to the fit option, entire view, and I'll go. So central region. So what are the sales, how the sales has happened. So the yellow color, pale yellow color, so that is the least value, and the highest value are in the dark color. Okay, so how the sales has happened in the central region, north region, and south region. Okay, so this is tree map. Type in 1 if this is clear. Okay, you people can try with this tree map chart. If any doubts, please let me know. I'll explain it once again. Try with 3 mark chart. let's go to the next one, Gantt chart. Okay, so here I'm going to take the ship date in the column and subcategories in the rows, and I wanted to check as per the sales and profit. So let me take the ship date in the column, and then I wanted to check it for the subcategory. So subcategory, so I got the values over here. Now let me drop the values like sales and profit both. So sales, I'll bring it and drop it here. So now this is Gantt chart. Okay, so when I click on this Gantt chart, you can see the values are appearing like this. Now I wanted to check not only the sales but even the profit as well. So I will drag and drop the profit as well and select Gantt chart. So I'm going to take the profit sales in the coloring, sales in the coloring, and then profit in the size. So now you can see the Gantt chart is applied. So now if you look at this, so the values, so for till the year 2023, so here you can see the sales ratio it is given. So when I take it here, so you can see the subcategory, that is tables. So either I'm getting the profit or how. So sales, how much value it is happening, and if you look at the profit, it is going in minus. Okay, so there is a partition line based on which, so the either side, so this side is the negative value and this side is the profit value. Okay, profit which I have gained. So here if you see, starting from the 2006 to 2012 quarter wise, it is mentioning the sales. Okay, so now when I come here, so 2011 quarter 1, how much the sales happened, sales and profit. 2011 quarter 3, so here 2014 quarter 1, so how much the sales and how much the profit. So slowly here the profit ratio has increased. So here if you see the subcategory wise, so supplies, so here how the sales has happened and what is the profit. So based on the values you can see. So if here I have taken quarterly wise, so if I wanted it based on the month, so you can see monthly wise how the sales has happened. So I can check it out from here. This is Gantt chart. So hope this is clear with you people. You can try with this Gantt chart. So type in 2 if this is clear. Okay, you people can try with the Gantt chart. Guys, if anybody is having any doubts related to this chart, please let me know. I'll explain it once again. So let's move to the next one. So I'm going to save this file. Okay, I'll open another file. So I'm opening a new file. Okay, so now let me bring in the data. So now before we continue further with the charts, so now if you look at, so now you must have got some idea about how to build in the charts, everything, how to apply the formatting, everything. So now here I wanted to create few folders, hierarchy, how to do in Tableau. Okay. So now if you see, I have the details. Okay, I have the details related to the list of orders, order breakdown. So both the things I have. So here by default for the country I have the hierarchy, wherein for other details and all I wanted to build a folder first. Okay. So if you observe in this particular thing, I have the folders for location details, for order details, and for product details. Okay. So I wanted to create the folders. Now how should I create a folder means, so first I wanted to create the location details. So my location details, so first I'm before I build in the hierarchy, I'm going to create a folder for country, region, state, and city. Okay. So now here, where is my country detail? Let me see. So I have the country in this. Okay. So now I wanted the country, region, state, and city. So here in the hierarchy you can see that there is no region. Okay. So I wanted to create a folder. So what I'll do is I'll take my cursor here. So right click, and here I have the group by. Okay. So by default, as there is no folders, you can see this folders tool is deactivated. So let me say group by and click on folders. I'll show you once again. So before I do with any of this thing, so let me go to the country. So I have a hierarchy. So this is a fresh new file where I have taken list of orders and order breakdown. So now I wanted to create three folders: location details, order details, and product details. So first let me create the location details, wherein I'm going to select the country, take the cursor on the country, right click, group by folder. So I'll select this folder. So group by folder I have given. So now I have to add the details. So I have country, state, city. So now I wanted to remove this hierarchy. I'll click here, remove hierarchy. Hierarchy is removed. So country. So let me say I wanted to create a folder. So group by folder. So I have to right click on this, go to group by and click on folder. Once I select folder, you can see folders will be activated. So now I'll go to folders, create folder. So this will be my location detail. Location details. Okay. So now here you can see a folder is created. Under that I have country. So now after country I wanted the region. So I will just click on this. I'll click on this drop down, and I will tell folders, add to folder, and I will select location detail. So country is added. Next I wanted the state. So where is my state? Again I'll click on the drop down, folders, add to folder, location detail. State is added, and then I wanted the city as well. So I'll go to city. I'll take the cursor here, click on the drop down, folders, add to folder, location details. So like this I can create the folder. Now you can see under location folder I have the details related to the location. So I have the country. So I wanted city at the bottom. I'll drag and drop it in the bottom. So as I take here, you can see the cursor will appear. So city I wanted to place it. So it will appear as per the uh, alphabetical order. Okay, so as per the alphabetical order, it is going to store. Okay, so you people can try with this location, create a folder for location details and add in the city, country, region and state. So let me create one more also, order detail also let me create. So order details. So order details contains customer name, order date, order ID, ship date, ship mode. Okay, so where is my order customer name? So I'll first go to the customer name. I'll close this folder. Go to the customer name on the drop down folders. I wanted to create a new folder, and this was my order details. Okay, so now here you can see a folder is created by adding customer name. Now based on the customer name, I wanted to add order date. So click drag and drop. So this is one way how you can add, or you can click on right click. So next order ID. So I'll take the cursor to order ID, right click, click on the drop down folders. So add to folder. Now you can see, so Tableau is showing me two different folders, one which I have already created for location and order details. This order ID where it has to be added, so it has to be added under order details. So the same way I wanted the ship date and ship mode. So ship date, right click, folders, add to folder, order details, ship date and ship mode. So I'll click on this folders, add to folder, order details. So I don't need this order ID which is already appearing. So what I'll do is I'll go to the data source, and from here whichever particular column you don't need, you can just remove it from the model. So after longitude, latitude, I have this order ID over here. So I wanted to remove this. I'll click on the drop down and I will tell hide. So the details is hidden. I'll come to the sheet one. Now you can see, so it is not visible. So I have created a folder, order details, which contains customer name, order date, order ID, ship date, ship mode. Okay. So try doing with these two things. Location detail, order detail. You have to create the folder. In the meantime, let me create the product detail as well. So product detail, it is going to contain the category, segment, subcategory, product name. Okay. So let me take the category first. Click folder, create a folder. So this is product detail. Now under this subcategory, segment, then subcategory, folders, folder, product detail. Then product name, folders, add to folder, product details. So now you can see I have created three folders. So one is location, order details and product details. So now you can see, so whatever it is required, only that particular folder I am going to open and I'm going to add the details from. Okay, so create these three folders. Type in 3 if this is clear. If anybody is having any doubts, please tell. Okay, you can create these three folders: location, order and product details. If you are having any doubts or anything, you can put a message in the chat box. Want me to explain it once again?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, the previous class charts, like what you explained, and we did it after you explained, right?
Yes.
I think it's not saved on my laptop. I hope that's fine, right? I mean, we don't
Yes,
have
yes,
to.
that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Guys, if there is any doubts, please let me know. Guys, if there is any doubts in how to create the folder, please tell. Okay, guys, now in the same way only, I wanted to create a hierarchy. So for location, I wanted to create a hierarchy, and for the product detail, I wanted a hierarchy. Okay, so in the location hierarchy, I wanted the country, region, state, and city. So let me take the country. So I'll take the cursor here to the country, and then from here the same procedure only. So how we created the, so, so I'll go for hierarchy, create hierarchy. Okay, so starting from country, click on the drop down, go to hierarchy, create hierarchy, and here this will be location hierarchy. Okay, so now this one is done. Now in this I wanted to add the region, state and city. So let me add the region. So let me click on the drop down, go to hierarchy, add location. Region is added, then state the same way. Click on the drop down, hierarchy, add location hierarchy, and city. So let me click on the drop down, hierarchy, add hierarchy, location hierarchy. Now you can see, now I have got it in the proper order. When I'm talking about the folder, so in folder the list of details will be arranged as per the alphabetical order. In hierarchy, how I wanted, like that I can arrange. Okay, so I have created the hierarchy for the location. The same way, let me create the hierarchy for products as well. So product hierarchy, in this first I wanted the category. Okay, so I have opened the folder. I'll go and click on the category hierarchy, create a hierarchy. This is product. So first I wanted the category, then I wanted the segment. I'll click on this hierarchy, add to hierarchy, product hierarchy. Then subcategory, same way, click on the drop down, hierarchy, add hierarchy, product hierarchy. Then product name, add to hierarchy, product hierarchy. So like this you can see I have created the folders. So I have created the folders, location detail, order detail, and product detail. These are the folders, and when I open this I can see the hierarchy. When I close this I have a location hierarchy. When I open this hierarchy, it contains the details under it. So the same way I have created a hierarchy for product. So here you can see when I close this, so product hierarchy is closed. When I click on this, so the details related to the product will be under this. Okay, so create these two hierarchies for location and product. Guys, if there is any doubts related to creating the hierarchy, please tell. Guys, if there is any doubts, please let me know. In the meantime, answer your attendance. Kritika, Kritika, Hitesh,
Present, ma'am.
Kritika, yesterday you were present last class on 12th. Nikita,
Present, ma'am.
Nikita is present. Nikita, yesterday you were present last class on 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Present, ma'am.
Nisha,
Present, ma'am.
Saida, Saida, Tanya,
Present, ma'am.
this is Tanya,
Present, ma'am.
Tejashwini,
Present, ma'am.
Sakina, Sakina, Kavana,
Present, ma'am.
Kavana, last two classes, that is on 11th and 12th, you are present.
I'm on 12th, I was present, but on 11th, I was absent, ma'am.
Okay. Aditi,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, ma.
Sakina present.
Yeah, you have put the message right. Aditi, Gopika, Gopika, Harshita, Harshita, Harshita R, Harshita B, Kevin, Lakshita, Ilakya, Ilakya, Navya, Nayana is present. Nayana, on 11th and 12th you are present. Navya, were you present all these 4 days? Navya, 2 days you have put the message that you are present. Okay. So Rachna,
Present, ma'am.
Shriya, Shriya, Sneha, Tasmia, Tasmia, Nandana, Nandana, last class you are present na on 12th. Chavi, Hemika,
Present, ma'am.
Trisha, Tanisa, Vanessa, Barrera, Barrera, you were present on 11th and 12th. Maria,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Harshita R is present. Annie, Annie is present. Geraldine, Gaganashri,
Present, ma'am.
Gaganashri, last class you are present on 12th.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Sachi, Siddharth,
Present, ma'am.
Akshaya, Akshaya, you are present all these days, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, last week. Alok, Krishna, Asba, Asba, Nimra, Shazia, Shreya,
Present, ma'am.
Pallavi, okay, I hope you people are done with this. Harshita, I have marked your attendance, Harshita B. So type in 4 if you people have understood how to create the hierarchy. Okay, only Siddharth understood the concept, how to create the folders and the hierarchy. What about others? Okay, so now once after creating the folders and the hierarchy, let's continue with few more concepts in charts. Okay, so now I wanted the box and whisker plots. So coming to this sheet, so let me take the region. So region in the column, and I wanted the sales. So let me take the sales. So as I selected, so a chart will be applied. Now let me go to the show me option, and I wanted to insert a whisker. Okay, so region wise, if you see, so this is north region, how much sales has happened. So the higher whisker, and the central region, how much sales has happened. Okay, so this one it is showing me. So now let me bring back the region over here and drop in the subcategory to the values. So now as I select in the subcategory under the marks, so now here you can see the whiskers has been, so the box and the whisker chart is applied. So based on the central region, so central, north and south. So here the values, this small pearls, this circles what you see. So under the central region, starting from this one to the ending point. Okay, so central sales, so label, subcategory label, how much sales it has done, and then coming to envelopes, and then coming to the paper and supplies. So all this four subcategory, five subcategory, how much sales it has happened. Now coming to the central region, furnishing, how much it has happened. So binders, and then the tables, and then the accessories. So under the central region. So now if I come to the appliances, and then coming to the machines, and then coming to the chairs. So under this, so bookcase, so bookcases, copiers, storage, and the phones. So in the central region, based on the subcategory, how much sales has happened. So here in the north, the same way you can see, starting from the north, the least sales has happened with the fasteners. The second highest, second least is the paper under the north region, and then envelopes. Then coming to the binders, then the accessories, then coming to the chairs, so machines, appliances, storage, copiers, and bookcases. So in the north, based on the subcategory, how the sales has happened. So this is your box and whisker chart. So here you have this box and whisker charts. So this is box and whiskers chart. So try with this box and whisker chart. So here if you see, so 0 or more dimensions it should be there, and if you look at the measures, I should have more than one measure should be there in order to build the box and whisker plots. So if there is any doubts, please let me know. Guys, if there is any doubts, please let me know. Okay, guys, I will stop it here.